Today we have a lot of animals. Let's learn their names one per point. Are you ready? Let's start. The first point is alligator. This is alligator. Alligator. The next point is a sea frog. This is a sea frog. A tiger. This is a tiger. Elephant. This is elephant. Elephant. Giraffe. This is giraffe. A lion. This is a lion. The next point is a rhino. This is a rhino. A deer. This is a deer. A sea cow. A sea turtle. This is a sea turtle. A sea lion. This is a sea lion. A mantaroi. This is a mantaroi. A hammerhead shark. A king crab. This is a king crab. Octopus.